Central. Today I'm fishing on my kayak in Sunset Lake with the Husky jerkbait, the 1 inch. See if I can get some bass. I'll get back to you.
Come on. Oh gosh, you better not be stuck. I think I'm stuck. Nope, I'm not. Woohoo! Look at the size of that. Oh yeah! Whoa! Look at this haul.
Check this out. Woohoo! Feels like he's like 4 pounds. Oh my god! What a fish! I gotta get him back in the water.
Whoa! Feels like he's like 4 pounds. Oh my god! What a fish! I gotta get him back in the water real quick.
Alright guys, it's starting to get dark. And I haven't caught anything in a while. So I'm gonna call it a night. And I guess it was a successful trip. First fish, about a 3-inch perch. And the last fish I caught was about a 4-pound bass. So I'd say it was successful. Like and subscribe for more, and comment what you would like to see caught next. Adios.